Yeah, there she goes.
Is there room to put this corn on?
Hey, Kaylee.
Or do I need to boil it? Okay.
Oh, no.
There you go.
Oh, no. There we go. We'll get you. There, you happy now? Yeah, look at the camera, Kaylee. Say hi to everybody, Kaylee. Yeah, you're on video camera. Uh-oh. You're a little Houdini. You escaped a swaddle. Oh, no, and she's got the hiccups, too. Oh, poor thing. Poor Kaylee with the hiccups. Oh. Oh no, you're getting upset, aren't you? Oh no, you're getting hungry.